Hey John, hey John!
What's Sam?
What's the most famous crab painter?
I don't know. Who is the world's greatest crab painter?
Leonardo da Vinci!
Oh no.
Hey John, hey John!
What is it, Sam?
Why did the crab not go to the gym?
I don't know. Why did the crab not go to the gym?
He didn't want to pull a muscle.
Holy smokes. Hey Sam! Hey Sam!
What John, what John?
Why did the crab blush?
I don't know. Why did the crab blush?
Because it saw the ocean's bottom.
Holy mackerel. Hey John, hey John!
What, Sam?
How did the crab hide from the shark?
I don't know. How did the crab hide from the shark?
He used camouflage!
You gotta be kidding me.
Hey John, hey John!
What is it, Sam?
Who brings crabs their Christmas presents?
I don't know. Who does bring crabs their Christmas presents?
Santa Claus!
I'm out of here.